Let's look at how to make a pyramid if we're faced with a card like this and not the kind where you can pop out the net. Well, we're going to end up with something like this, and we'll notice that it folds down this edge and it folds down that edge, and also where we have a flap there must be a fold, like a kind of hinge there. So what we need to do is we need to take a sharp edge. Now it's not too sharp, back of a knife perhaps, certainly not anything that's going to cut, and we just score down there, and we want to score down here as well. And finally down here. That's all you have to do with a tetrahedron. For more complicated models, more complex models, you have to score down all the radii, all the lines from the center to the outside, and not forget the flap. Well, once you've done that, I think it's easier to cut the shape out so you don't have so much paper flapping around, and then just cut carefully down there. And down here. And down here. That deals with the outside. Good. But now we have to cut in from here. Right down into the middle. Then we can cut down here. Perhaps we can do it in one single, there we go, one cut. We'll remove that. Notice that it's actually better to have a sloping edge here rather than a direct one, because it means that you get a better closure of the gap when you come to glue it up. So there we are. Now that folds nicely, but we want to work it a little bit until it's easy. Same with these ones. If you don't work it, you'll end up with a curved surface, which is not what we want for our type of model. We want them all to be nice straight edges and flat surfaces. So now I've done that back and forward, and now it's going to be ready to glue up, which is easily done with a Pritt stick. That's what we use in the UK. I don't know if it's available in other countries, but there we are. Now we fold it up, and there's one of the pyramids, and here's another one of the pyramids. So now that would make 2, and we would need 4 altogether to make the model of the tetrahedron. If that's all, you can see what to do now. Good.